Dear students, today topic is multi-stage graph. A multi-stage graph is a directed graph in which the nodes can be divided into a set of stages such that all edges are from a stage to next stage only. Here, a source and a destination. We need to find shortest path from source to destination. So there are two methods are there. One is forward method. Other one is backward method. We follow the forward method. So this is a graph. So this is a directed graph. Here source is there. We find the destination point. Ante means sink point. So this is, we are finding the cost and sink. So vertices are 1 to 12. So in vertex 1 is there. In vertex 2 we find the 2, 3, 4, 5 values. In vertex 3 find the 6, 7, 8 values. In vertex 4 we will find 9, 10, 11 values. In vertex 5 we find 12th values. So these values are put in this table only. Next, here we see the vertex 5 value. So the vertex 5 value is cost, the formula is cost of stage comma sink. Suppose here stage value is 5. So fifth stage and destination point is 12. So no point is there. So that's why we take the value is 0. So cost of value is 0 at 12th stage. Next find 11th stage. In 11th stage means find the 4th vertex. So 4th vertex values are 9, 10, 11 values. So vertex 4, cost of find the 4th vertex 9th value. Next cost of 4th vertex 10th value. Next cost of 4th vertex 11th value. From 4th vertex 9 comma value is 9 to 12, the reaching point is 4. So 4 comma 9 value is 4. Next 10 to 12, 4th vertex 10th point is the reaching point is 2. So 2 value. Next cost of 4 comma 11, the value is 5. So 9th value is 4 at 12th destination. Next 10th point is 2 value at 12th destination. Next 11th value is 5 at 12th destination. Next find vertex V3. So vertex V3 are 3 comma 6 value. Next 3 comma 7 value. Next 3 comma 8 value. So find vertex 3 comma 6, 3 comma 7, 3 comma 8. First find the 3 comma 6, vertex of 3 comma 6. Here 2 points it will go there. 6 to 9 one value is there and another route is 6 to 10. First we find 6 to 9 and 9 to 12. Next we go 6 to 10 and 10 to 12 value. So here one formula is there. Cost, first find the cost of vertex 3 comma 6. So minimum cost of 6 comma 9 plus next again 4th vertex 4 comma cost of 4 comma 9 comma next another value is cost of 6 comma 10 plus cost of 4th vertex 10th value. So here 6 comma 9 value is 6 plus 6 comma 9 value is 6 plus 4 comma 9 value is 4 comma 9 value is 4. The value is 10. Next 6 comma 10. 6 comma 10 value is 5. Next 4 comma 10 value is 2. So which is shortest? Here 7th value is shortest path. So 6 comma 3. Next find the vertex 3 comma 7. So 3 comma 7 values are minimum cost of 7 comma 9. So it goes two ways, 7 to 9 one value and 7 to 10 one value. So cost of 7 comma 9 plus fourth vertex, cost of 4 comma 9 plus cost of 7 comma 10 plus fourth vertex 10th values. The values of 7 to 9, the value is 4 plus 4 to 9, here the value is 4 comma 7 to 10, the value is 3 plus 4 to 10th vertex, the value is 2, which is small minimum 8 or 5. 5 is the minimum value. Next find cost of 3 comma 8. So 3 comma 8 value is minimum cost of 8 to 1 value is there and 8 to 11 value is there. First find 8 to 9 and fourth vertex 10th value. Next 8 comma 11 plus fourth vertex 11th value. So which is minimum? The value is 7. We enter the values in this format. So here the value is 7 at which vertex? 10th vertex. Next here fifth cost of 5. Next here we enter the destination point is 10. Next here 7, the value is 10. Next find the vertex V2. So vertex V2 means find 2 comma 2 value comma, next find 2 comma 3 value, next find 2 comma 4 value, next find 2 comma 5 values. First find 2 comma 2 vertex 2 comma 2. So there are 3 ways, 2 to 6, 2 to 7 and 2 to 8, which is minimum. See the formula. So minimum of 2 comma 6 plus vertex of 3 comma 6 comma 2 comma 7 plus vertex of 3 comma 7 plus 2 comma 8 plus vertex of 3 comma 8, which is minimum. 7th value is minimum. Next find 2 comma 3. So see, follow same procedure. Next 2 comma 4 follow the same procedure. Next 2 comma 5 follow the same procedure. So the values are similarly, the values are 2 comma 3 value is cost is 9 and destination is 6. 2 comma 4 the values are cost is 18, the destination point is 8. So 2 comma 5 the cost of value is 15, the destination point is 8. So next last finally vertex is V1. So in V1 there are 4 possible ways are there. 1 to 2 value is there, 1 to 3 value is there, and 1 to 4 value is there, and 1 to 5 value is there. So this is also same. So cost of 1 comma 1 equal to minimum of 1 to 2 plus second vertex comma 2 comma 1 to 3 plus 2 comma 3. Next 1 to 4 plus 2 comma 4. Next 1 to 5 plus 2 comma 5. Here cost of 1 comma 2 value is 9 plus cost of 2 comma 2 value is 7. The total weight is 16. Same here 1 comma 3 value is 7 plus 2 comma 3 value is 9. So the value is 16. So cost of 1 comma 4 value is 3 plus cost of 2 comma 4 value is 18. The value is 21. So cost of 1 comma 5 value is 2 plus cost of 2 comma 5 value is 15. So the value is 4. The minimum values are 16 and 16. So we take cost is 16. Destination point is either second vertex or third vertex. So we take the 2 by 3 values. So we put the all the values in this box. So here first vertex the cost is 16. Here the value is 2 by 3. So second the cost value is 7. So sink value is 7. Next third value the cost value is 9. Here sink value is 6. Fourth value is 18. The destination point sink value is 8. Next here fifth value. The cost is 15. Here the destination point is 8. So this is the procedure. We follow the backward method. Thank you.